Right on the middle or what?
Yeah, we're gonna just put it.
All the way at the front?
Yep.
Okay. Coming your way, boss. Coming down. Just pushed it, yeah, just push it a little bit so it comes away from that. Towards you? Is that good? No, you're good. Just throw them right. If you throw the hooks right on top. Throw the hooks right on top. So the crazy part is, this one looks like it's fucking twisted too. Unless it's just my point of view, but when you get up to like this second section, it almost looks like the whole boom twists. Now,
No rigging anything?
no, we're good. Thanks, man, you too. I don't know if I'm just being hypersensitive, but it still looks like this boom's fucking twisted too.